What's up guys, the Hackspot here, and in my last video I showed you guys how to use the Electra Jailbreak to jailbreak iOS 11.0 through 11.1.2. Now this did not give you Cydia, but it did give you Anemone and the ability to SSH. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically get any theme you want on your device with this jailbreak, basically put it in Anemone and get some really cool themes like this one. Alright, now for this, of course, again, you will need to have the Electra Jailbreak installed so that you have Anemone to theme your device. Now, the Electra Jailbreak only supports iOS 11.0 through 11.1.2, so if you are in the right firmware, my link to my video on how to jailbreak using Electra will be down below inside the description. Anyways, once you run the Electra Jailbreak, you will get this app right over here on my home screen. So it has the theme now. It's called Anemone, and this is where you're going to be using to apply the theme. You guys see I get a preview and then apply it. Okay, so here we are on our computer, and you do not need to plug your device into your computer as we are going to be doing this wirelessly through an SSH on our computer. Now that may sound complicated, but it's not. So first, the links of course will be all down below inside the description. The first is to CyberDuck, and this is what we're going to be using to SSH into our device and put the jailbreak themes into Anemone. Now you can use a different SSHing program, but I prefer CyberDuck. It's my favorite, and anyways, it has a download for Windows right here, and also for Mac. So I have Mac, so I downloaded it from Mac. So go ahead and download and install this onto your computer. Okay, so that step is complete. Once you have CyberDuck, now you need to install and download the theme. So this website right here provided some great links to themes, and you can install them really quickly. So anyways, this is the theme I'm using right now on my iPhone 7, which is kind of like transparent icons. Glassclart 2, it's a great theme, but it's a pretty big file. And there's a no dock. You can remove the dock, which is pretty cool. Get the iPhone X dock, iPhone 10 dock, I mean. So let's go and try out a different theme. I don't really know these themes, but anyways, I'm debating between Slushy and Oyster. I think I want to choose, dang it, I don't know what they look like. I want it to be a surprise to see what it look like, so I'm just gonna go with Slushy. And okay, so the download has started. Simple as that, very quick. This one's a pretty small file. But anyways, once done, you don't need an internet browser anymore unless you want to download some more themes like these ones over here. But anyways, we are basically done. Again, all the links will be down below inside the description. So I would recommend saving it to your desktop. So I'm just going to drag and drop from Chrome, put it on my desktop, just like that. And now we want to extract it. Now on Mac, it's very easy. All you do is double click on it, and it will extract a folder right onto your desktop. So here's that folder that I just extracted. But on Windows, you will need to download a separate program, I think. I would recommend 7-Zip or WinRAR, whichever one you prefer. But anyways, once you have one of those programs installed, you would just right click on this and then hit extract here. So wherever the option is, and then you will get a similar file to this. So anyways, once you have this now, go and open this up. And now we want to extract this file right here. It's data.tar. So you want to extract this too. Just double click on Mac, and again on Windows, right click on it and hit extract here. Now this part takes a little bit of time because it's extracting so many files. And there you go, it's done though. You're done gnome. Alright, so anyways, let's go ahead and click on data, this folder right here that I created. So go into there, go into library, and go into themes. So over here, you'll have all the theme files that you guys need. So this one doesn't have that many. Glassclart, the theme I have on my iPhone 7 right now, that had so many more files. But anyways, this is what we need right here. That's what we're going to be putting on our device. So let's put that to the side. And now what we want to do is open up CyberDuck. So go into your applications folder. So here we are. And the first time opening it up on both computers, what you want to do is right click on it and click on open. Do not double click on it. Right click, click on open. And once you have it open, it should look like this. But bam, you should get a window. If you get this pop up, just don't worry. Click on cancel, and you can check out for updates if you want to. I'm going to hit don't check. And anyways, we're going to click on where it says open connection. So this globe icon right here. And now again, don't worry. It's very simple to SSH. So what you want to do is from this drop down menu, click there and click on where it says SFTP, SSH File Transfer Protocol. Click on that, and for the server over here, that is your IP address of the device you are connecting to. So to find that, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and then click on the little eye icon next to your Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and there you'll find where it says your IP address. You want to go and type in that number. So for me, it goes 192.168, and I'm not going to tell you guys the rest because I don't want my device to be hacked into. You do want to keep your IP address safe, but anyways, type in the full number with all the points, and once you do, make sure port is set to 22, and for username, just go to type in root And for the password, you want to go and type in Alpine. That's Alpine. Once you do that, you are basically good to go. Hit connect. And if this pops up, just click on allow. And now it'll go ahead and connect to your device. So this is basically the root system of your device, all the files on your device. So that is pretty cool. So now we want to head over to the very beginning of our file system. So to do that, go ahead and go over to this drop down menu over here and click on the slash. So simple as that. And once you guys are here, you want to go to Bootstrap. So double click there. And over here, you want to go to Library. And once over here, you want to go to Themes. And over here is where you're going to put your themes. Now for you, this will be empty. I just tested this and put all these files in here for the glass claret theme that's on my iPhone 7 right now. But again, if you want to add more themes, it's very simple. Just go ahead and go back to that folder that we went to. Highlight all the files in there with the .theme. So .theme. Alright, so we highlighted all of them. And now all you want to do is drag and drop it into a blank spot over here in CyberDuck. So there you go. Of course, hit allow. And now it's going to transfer all those files into the themes folder on your device. So it's basically transferring all these files to Anemone on your device. And that is it. There's no more steps. Just go and wait for this to finish. Glass claret was a much bigger theme at 72.1 megabytes. So it took a lot longer. It took like 15 minutes, but this one's a small file. It's only 25 megabytes. And there you go. Once it's done, it'll have a green dot and it says upload complete. So now you are good to go. You can exit out of here. If you want to add more themes, again, just going to drag and drop the files over here. But I am done for now. So I'm going to go and exit out of CyberDuck. And I'm also going to exit out of here. Later. Okay, and just like that, we are done. So basically, guys, now you can go and open up Anemone. And by the way, if you do already have it open, what I recommend doing is closing it out first, completely out of your app switcher. That is very important. Otherwise, the changes won't take effect. That just happened to me and I got freaked out. I'm like, where's my theme? I just installed it, but it's not there. So I had to close out of it first and then open it up so it's a fresh start. So anyways, once you do that, you guys will see that I now have my new theme right over here. So to enable it, I just need to tap on the enable button, but I'm going to disable this one first. And I'm going to enable this new one. So now we can get a preview by tapping the preview button. We can also combine theme, which is pretty cool. And that's what it's going to look like. So if I'm satisfied, that's what I want it to look like. I can say apply. That looks pretty cool, actually. And it will go ahead and respring my device, so it'll take about a second. We're back at our lock screen. And once you enter our passcode, there is a theme installed. That is pretty cool. So anyways, again, you got all your apps completely themed. And it just, this theme looks wonderful. I need to change my background though. Yeah, okay, I think that looks better. And look at the icons, guys. This just looks like a great theme. Very minimalistic and very soft. Pretty cool theme. But anyways, guys, as always, hope you enjoyed this video. Now, you can also install tweaks this way too. It's a little bit more steps, but if you guys want me to make a video, let me know down in the comment section. Anyways, enjoy your themes on your new jailbreak. This is the Hackspot. Have a great rest of your day, and peace out.